ThinkFic affiliate program. In this video, we will see how we can sign up for their affiliate account, their commission plan, cookie life, payment method, and I think this is all you want to know about their affiliate program. Here it is thinkfic.com. What is this platform? As you can see here, create and sell online courses and membership sites under your own brand. If you want to join their affiliate program, you need to go all the way down and you will see here becoming a partner. As you can see here it is, so we will click on it. But before we click, if you don't know how to promote affiliate links or you want to increase your affiliate sales, click the first link in the description and this will change your life. Now let's click on this becoming a partner and we will join their affiliate program. As you can see, this is their affiliate page. We can click here apply now, and there are three different options for their partnership. One is agencies, app developers, and then marketing partners. So we are marketing partners. We want to promote their program, their platform, and we want to earn commission. Now once you will click on it, as you can see here is their affiliate application, but we are on partner stack. If you are thinking what is this partnerstack.com, because we are joining thinkfic.com. So partner stack is a network where we can join thousands of brands. I mean, when we will create our account on ThinkFic, it means we are creating our account on partnerstack.com. And once we create our account, not only ThinkFic affiliate program, we can join thousands of other affiliate program also. Now you can create your account from here, or you can go directly to partnerstack.com. I will provide you the link in the description. Click on it and you will land on this website. Now this is Partnerstack official website. We can create our account here and we can join inside Partnerstack account. We can join thousands of brands. Now let me click here login and I will show you everything step by step. So you will see my account right now in front of you. Now as you can see, this is their home page. Right now I joined their three brands: Crowdfire, Promote, Typeform. But we are here to join ThinkFic, so we will go to their marketplace. In category we will choose all programs. And now we can write here our whatever you want, you are looking for, you can write here. We are looking for ThinkFic. Here it is. So you can click on it, view website, and you can just click here join program and you can join their affiliate program. Also you can create your account by providing your details here. So provide everything and then click next. You will have your Partnerstack account. So in my case, I already have my account, or you can directly come to Partnerstack by clicking the link in the description and you can create your account. Now I can click here join program, but we will click here view website to see their details. Once you will click view website, they will open this page in front of you. Now as you can see, these are their affiliate details. We can just click here join program and we can join. They are paying 30% recurring commission. What is the meaning of recurring commission? Whenever they will pay to ThinkFic, we will get 30% commission. If we are referring one person, maybe they will pay so many times in his life. So every time when they will pay, we will get 30% commission. Regarding their cookie period, here it is. They are providing 90-day cookie period. If you don't know the meaning of cookie period, it's mean when someone clicks on our affiliate link, they will go to thinkfic.com and maybe they will not buy any plan. Maybe they will just visit the site and close their laptop. That's it. Within next 90 days, if they come back and they buy anything, we will still get commission because our cookies are saved in their browser for 90 days. So this is the meaning of cookie life. How you will get paid? As you can see, how do I get paid? Cash out via PayPal or Stripe. Alternative methods available for non-PayPal region. So in some countries PayPal is not available, so they have some alternative methods for you to withdraw your money. So just you need to click here join now and you can join their affiliate program. I will not join because it's not my category. I don't want to promote them. In your case, you can join, click here and join and start earning money. I hope you understand everything, their commission plan, their cookie life, sign up process, payment method. If you still have any question, you can comment below. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.